Okay, good morning class. So, first, for our lesson for today, so we will try to practice reading and writing decimals through hundreds. No? So, it is the same as reading through place value. No? So, we have tens, and also we have hundreds. Okay. So before starting our lesson, we will have some exercises first. Okay. So first one is give the place value and the value of the underlined digits. No? There are numbers here that have underlined. So we will try to see if we can identify the place value and the value of the digit. Okay, so number 1, 0.22. Okay, so what is the underlined place value? Okay, Julian Love?
Yes.
Okay, so that number 2, the place value of that is tens. Okay, so the value of the digit is what? 0.2. Okay, number 2. Who can answer? Okay, Kevin. Okay, hundreds. Very good. Okay, so the value of the digit is what? 0.06. Okay, so how about number 3? Who can answer? Okay, Michael. Okay, what? Okay, hundreds also. Okay, very good. Next. Number 4. Who can answer number 4? Okay, Johan. Okay, tens also. Very good. And number 5, who can answer? Again, Julian? Okay, tens. Okay, very good. Let's clap our hands. Okay, now. So, how will you write 5 tens in decimal form? Who can answer? Who can write it on the board? 5 tens. Okay, Julian Love, can you write it on the board? 5 tens. Okay, very good. So let's clap our hands to Julian. Okay. So the decimal form of 5 tens is 0.5. Wherein the 5 is in tens place. And the 0 is ones. Okay. So remember that the location of 5 is in the tens place. No? Then, the number is read as 5 tens. Okay. Next. How will you write 50 hundreds in decimal form? 50 hundreds. Irish, can you write? 50 hundreds. 50 hundreds. Okay, very good. Let's clap our hands to Irish. Okay, so in writing 50 hundreds in decimal form, that is, everybody, 0.50. Okay, so the 0 is in ones place. The 5 is in tens place. And then the other 0 is hundreds place. Okay. Next. Let's read these decimal numbers. Okay, everybody, please read.
7.0.
Okay. Read in words. 7.
7.
7. 7/10, and this one is 700. Okay, how about this? How about this?
75.
Okay, Giselle, can you read it loud? You stand. You stand up.
75.
Okay, 7,500. Okay, very good, Grisel. Okay, next. What? How can you read that?
0.0.
No.
8 tenths.
Okay, Gibson, please stand up.
8 tenths.
That is 8.
Tenths.
Is that in tens place?
800.
Okay, Irish, can you help Gibson?
800.
No, it's not 80. Who can help? Okay, Jillian. Okay, that is 800. Okay, let's clap our hands to Jillian. Okay, next. How about that?
8600.
Okay, Crystal.
8600.
Okay, very good. That is 8600. Okay. Okay, now we will go to our game for today. Okay, so now we will go to the stations. It is like riding in a train. Okay. First one is station 1. You will write your answers on your paper. Okay, first one. Write 2 tenths in decimal form. Then write it in words. Start. Only 1 minute. No, it's not necessary to write your name. Okay, next. Station 2. Write 20 hundredths in decimal form. Then write it in words. Okay, next. Station 3. Write 2 hundredths in decimal form. Then write it in words. 2 hundredths. 2 hundredths. Please do it fast. Okay, next. Okay, station 4. Write 7 tenths in decimal form, then write it in words. Okay, next. Last station. Write 75 hundredths in decimal form, then write it in words. Okay, so after that, we will correct that later. Okay, so now, we will proceed with our sample problem. Okay, everybody read. Okay, excuse me, everybody read. Mark and Ara, go. The decimal 0.95 is read as 95 hundredths. No? So we read this as 95 hundredths. So in expanding form, it means 0.9 plus 0.05. So it is written as 0.95, no? 0.95. Okay. Now, study these examples in reading decimal numbers. So, okay, first one. 0.4 is read as what?
4 tenths.
Okay, everybody?
4 tenths.
Okay, 4 tenths. Okay, how about 0.6?
6 tenths.
Okay, everybody?
6 tenths.
Okay. 0.09 is read as?
9 tenths.
Okay, 9 hundredths. Okay, how about 0.83?
83 hundredths.
Okay, 83 hundredths. Okay, very good. Okay, now, we will have an exercise. Exercises, no? So these, we have 10 items, and then first one is, we answer it as in words. Okay, in words. No, we write it in words. And then the second part, we answer it in decimal form. Okay, you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, at the back of your paper, you can answer it at the back of your paper. Okay, so, start. Yes. Yes, at the back of your paper. Yes? No, answer directly. You answer directly. Faster, yes. You answer it directly. The first 5 numbers is in words. In words, like this. Yes. And then the second 5 will be numbers. Okay, answer directly. Answer it so. Yes, as I've said, I will give you 5 minutes or 10 minutes in answering that. Then after that, I will call you one by one to give your answer at the board. So that I will know if you have understood the lesson. Yes, in words. Words. So you say words. Combination of letters, diba? You say in decimal form, siya ang decimal form. You do not write numbers, these words only, words. Words only, words. 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 Okay, are you done? You done? Okay, shall we answer? Okay. Okay, let us answer. Okay, stop writing. Okay. Everybody's pencils up. Pencils up. Pencils up. Okay, down. Okay, let's answer. Okay, who can write the answer on number 1? Okay, Irish. Number 1. Number 1, answer number 1. 8. Taas, number 1. And Michael, number 2. HS. HS. No, I will call you. Okay, number 2, Michael. Yes, number 3, Julian. Yes, number 4, Emma. Okay, very good, Julian. Do not talk. Okay, number 5, Mark Archel. Number 5, Mark Archel. Okay, letter B, number 1, Crisel. Number 2, Honeybee. Number 3, Gibson. Number 4, Kevin Clark. No, you already answered. Then number 5, Rico. Okay, letter B. Why did you write it in words? I told you to write it in decimal form. Who answered number 1? Number 2 also. You change your answer. Grisel, Hanibe, you change your answer. It is in words.
Oh, not a cup.
How will you answer that in numbers, in decimal form? Okay, very good, Archel. Sit down. You change your answer. Number 3 is wrong. Who can help number 3? Okay, Julian. How about number 5? Who can help number 5? Irish. Number 2, Honeybee, is 7 tenths. 7 tenths, not 60 hundredths. Okay, your help, Grisel. Oh no, number 3 is 2 hundredths. 2 hundredths. How will you write that in decimal form? 2 hundredths. There's nothing there. Sa kulang. 0. 2, 0. 2. Yes. That is correct. I'm sorry. Okay, let's clap our hands. Okay, place it properly. Aris. Okay. Now, everybody, we read the following decimal numbers. Okay, I will read first, okay? Okay, so number 1, that is 7 tenths. Everybody?
7 tenths.
Okay, number 2, that is 29 hundredths.
29 hundredths.
Okay, everybody ha? Okay, number 3, that is 18 hundredths.
18 hundredths.
Number 4, 38 hundredths.
38 hundredths.
Number 5, 1 hundredths.
1 hundredths.
Okay, number 6, that is 95 hundredths.
95 hundredths.
Okay, number 7, that is 74 hundredths.
74 hundredths.
Okay, number 8, that is 67 hundredths.
67 hundredths.
Okay, number 9, that is 92 hundredths.
92 hundreds.
Okay, and number 10, that is?
44 hundreds.
Okay, very good. Let's clap our hands. Okay, next. Okay, this will be your assignment. Okay, please copy the table. Okay, copy the table. Wait lang. Okay, please copy the table. That will be your assignment. Okay, you only have 5 items and then you will write it only in symbol or the decimal form. Okay, write it in decimal form. Only